Organic farming, the return to nature. Organic farming is a modern and a sustainable form of agriculture that provides consumers fresh natural farm products. Organic farming works in synchronization with nature rather than against it. This objective is achieved by using techniques to improve crop yields without harming the natural environment as well as the people who live and work in it. Organic agriculture offers an exclusive amalgamation of environment friendly practices which require low external inputs, thereby contributing to increased food availability. Organic farming has a very positive influence, especially on birds, insects, weeds, wildlife, and soil flora and fauna. Conventional farming is capital intensive, which requires more manufactured inputs, energy as compared to knowledge and labor intensive organic farming. Organic agriculture uses energy more competently than conventional agriculture. As compared to conventional agriculture, organic farming produces cost effective food products free of synthetic fertilizer and pesticides. It also provides employment opportunities and economic benefits to local communities. The methods utilized in organic farming are more costly and labor intensive, but prove to be more cost effective in the long run. Since organic agriculture climate disaster by switching to organic methods. In addition, organic agriculture has the potential to address food security issues. Enough evidence is available to prove that organic crops are a better source of nutrients than their corresponding conventional forms. Organic systems give higher animal immunity and increased disease resistance to plants. With 50% less mycotoxins in crops and a persistent shelf life, organic foods have more plant security, metabolites, higher micronutrient content, and more conjugated fatty acids for better human health, including a lower incidence of non-communicable disease. Organic agriculture merges modernism, custom, and science to manage the shared surrounding, encouraging fair relationship and high quality of life for everyone involved. Thanks. Please share, like, or comments. Thank you.